You should get some souvenirs.
Like real authentic ones.
Real authentic. Will you get souvenirs before you leave today?
Maybe I'll find like a little cute bag.
Boring.
You should get like one for your fridge.
No bags.
No bag, like a magnet.
Oh, these are like cheese tricks. Just throw that in the middle. That's a mark.
Just the Cheetos.
Yeah, that big Cheetos. Bunch of-
Just like Cheetos. Check here.
Are you eating? Are you eating? No.
ไม่รู้มันอยู่ตรงไหนบ้างอะไรไม่ได้ไปไหน
I'm in the mood for some lychee.
Okay, someone's home, right? Oh, all this good food. Look at this. Oh, sticky rice. Roasted pork and fish. Fish and oops. Oh. Roasted pork and fish. Look.
Fish green mango rice.
$2 for
ขออีกหลายที่อ่ะ
These are ground supervisor right here, look. Oh, look at all the fishes in the water. Oh, catfish, right? Not catfish, though.
I don't know.
Dancing cat. Keanu Reeves. Oops. So cute over here. Oh, team matcha too? Do you have matcha too? Oh, the culture and stuff. Oh, look at this. Is that like ice cream? Ice cream?
You want?
Oh, banana fresh, very fresh. I'll finish this first and then we see. Oh, he's feeding the fishes, right? Yeah. He's feeding the fishes, see? Oh, we're gonna buy a bag and feed the fishes too.
Is this food for fishes?
I think so. I mean, we just go swimming if the floor breaks. We want to buy a bag of these so we can feed the fishes. Yeah, get a bag so we can feed the fishes. I want multiple colors. Is this food?
Do you have 10 baht on you?
Eh?
10 baht.
10 baht. We use this for feed the fishes?
Fish.
For the fish, right? Yeah. You want 2 bags?
No.
1 bag is fine? Okay. You want to try that?
Wow. Everything already? They fighting.
Her turn. The pigeons over there, they need to go. Yeah, give some to the pigeons as well. Yeah, no one cares about the pigeons. See, there you go. You're awesome. Like a lot of places is closed today, guys. It's a holiday.
ไม่งั้นค่ะแล้วก็จะไม่มีอะไรทำที่บอกไปดีกว่าไปดีเพราะว่าเขาบอกว่าเสร็จแล้วขอถ่ายด้วย
Can't go inside unless you take your shoes off.
And you want some cheese sauce?
No, this nice. The menu. Wings.